So we created Picketa Systems when we looked at how can we make farms more efficient in a practical way. One of the most vital points of information for farmers, agronomists, and field researchers is nutrient data for the plants. Right now, the way to get this is an inefficient process, taking physical plant samples, putting them into paper bags, shipping them across the country, and then waiting a week or two maybe to get your results. With this problem in mind, we developed a solution where we can scan leaves and give nutrient information in real time. This is a game changer for how the way the agricultural information is collected.
Our system can be operated by anyone, no technical background needed. Once the scan is completed, the raw data is processed through Picketa's cloud platform, and the nutrient content analysis results are available within seconds. The data gathered over the course of the season, and from one season to the next, is hosted on Picketa's data visualization platform. This allows users to track the performance of their fields, as well as measure the impact of the techniques they use to farm their land.
We've incorporated Picketa Systems into our program for the immediacy of accurate results. We use foliar testing to give us fine-tuning of nutrient programs so that we're not over-fertilizing, and we find that Picketa Systems gives us immediate results, far better than lab results taking 10 plus days, so that we can do a better job and have growers have better outcomes.
Picketa, 1 second away from a lifetime of healthy land.